Hello everyone, so if you want to quickly handle overheating issue on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, so the first thing I would recommend you to do is to close all the applications which are running in the background, especially the third-party ones with ads. So simply find your, if you're using buttons, simply find your application button right here and press close all. Then I highly recommend you to replace thick cases with a thinner one because this will help to reduce a heat buildup. Next thing is to turn off all unnecessary features which you are using. So for example, you don't need Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, your GPS and so on. So simply open up your quick access menu by swiping down twice from the very top of your screen and find the necessary features. So simply turn them off and it will work much faster. Now let's go to our settings. So in your settings, I highly recommend you to enable power saving mode. Go to your battery right here and simply enable your power saving mode. In this way, your CPU load will lower and it will help cool down the phone. The next thing I can recommend you, last but not least, is to turn on dark mode and adaptive brightness in your display settings. So simply go back to your settings, find your display tab, choose a dark mode and choose an adaptive brightness mode. This way it will consume our battery less and our battery won't overheat. And the last thing is to clear up device memory by removing the apps which you rarely use. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.